Hi everyone, welcome to Simplified IAS Academy. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the features of Aram series 2025 2.0. So for this year, this is the second batch and overall, this is the fifth batch for Aram series. And in past four batches, you guys have shown us a lot of trust and also given us various feedbacks that we have included in this Aram series 2025 2.0 to make it more robust and help you achieve your UPSC dream. So, the very first question that should come to you is why Aram series? Because why this is different from the other program? See, whenever you are starting your UPSC journey with respect to your optional subject, the very first question that comes to you is how to prepare, where to begin, in how many months you should prepare the optional subject. So, these are some of the questions that we all struggle, including me. When I was starting my preparation for the optional, I was very clueless, like from what to study, from where to study, and for how long I should study. But to for you, Aram series at your rescue because this program is designed mostly for the beginner's perspective so that you get a roadmap of how to prepare your anthropology optional, that too in a well defined structured manner along with the answer writing, because as it is said that every topper was once a beginner and what matters is that how you begin. And this RM series will help you begin your UPSC journey in the most smooth way so that you can become a topper for UPSC in the coming years. Now let's deep dive into the program features. So this program is going to be of 4 month duration. Earlier we used to have a 2.5 month long duration, which we have now extended to 4 month so that you as a beginner or a semi beginner get enough time to prepare under my guidance. Then the second most important thing is that there will be only 40 seats because I have to mentor each one of you. So I can do it if I have a limited batch size. So if you really wanted to get enrolled, do it as soon as possible because there is going to be limited seat. What is the mode of this entire program? So the mode will be online. We will be connecting online all your answer writing, all the mentorship support that I'm going to provide you, all the materials which you are going to get will be in online mode. And of course, unlike the notes and the PYQs that you get, which is not downloadable under our all the test series, all the PDFs is downloadable. So whatever material that you are getting, you can download all of them. I hope this is very clear. Now let's come to why you should join this program. Because through this program, you are going to cover your anthropology syllabus paper 1 and 2 in the next 4 months. So that in the new year, when you're beginning a new year and also going to appear in the prelims next year, you are well prepared with respect to your optional and you can move forward with more confidence and do your prelims preparation. Then the second reason is through this program you are not just doing your syllabus completion, but along with that you're also doing the structure answer writing along with evaluation and model approaches, which is one of the very unique feature of our program, that for every answer writing you are going to get the model approaches. Along with that, we will provide you with a short note for quick revision with respect to each topic. So for each topic you are going to get short notes that you can very well use for your revision, and these short notes will be enriched with scholars, examples, case studies apart from what you get in our comprehensive note. But mind it, the comprehensive notes are not part of this program. If you have purchased it separately, well and good, or even if you are using some other note, that is also completely fine with us. But this will be something and add upon all of those. Then we will have a topper strategy session by the end of the program so that you are able to understand about the UPSC demand and how you should leverage the topper strategy while doing your answer writings. Then we will have one on one mentorship sessions where you and me will be discussing specifically about your preparation strategy, your doubts, your dilemmas, or anything with respect to your preparation. Then, apart from all of this, the answer writing which you are doing for every topic, we will also have two full length mock tests with respect to your paper 1. One mock test will be for paper 1 and one will be for paper 2. So overall you will be writing two full length tests as well along with this program, which is again very good if you are a beginner and have not done your answer writing before, or not even opened up like your anthropology subject as of now. You can join this program so that you are doing in holistic preparation. Now let's deep dive into each of these components in detail. So as I said, you will be finishing your syllabus in 4 months. So how you're going to do it? So we will give you a micro schedule for all the topics. And along with the micro schedules, you are going to get the value added material, as I mentioned, the short notes and everything. And we will tell you what are the areas that you need to focus while preparing for this topic. And all of this you are going to get as per the schedule mentioned in your program brochure. Then short note, I already mentioned these are the crisp form of something value added which you can use for revision, which you can use for value addition. And of course, they are not a comprehensive note, but something very useful when you're doing your revision and answer writing. Then you will have answer writing for every topic as I mentioned. There will be model approaches and evaluation. I'll be talking about evaluation in a little more detail in the upcoming slides. Then I spoke about the two full length mock test, which is for paper 1 and paper 2. The doubt resolution will be there apart from your mentorship session. Suppose today you are reading any particular topic and you come across any kind of a doubt with respect to that topic or with respect to any of the other thing for that matter. So in that case, you can write to me and I will reply to that email promptly so that your doubt is resolved. And if in case that doubt is not resolved via email, we will get on a mentorship call to discuss that particular doubt. So this is how the entire thing should go on. You should not get stuck with any of your doubt. And trust me, this is one of the very important feature, because when I also think about my preparation journey, I felt like I should have somebody where I can throw my doubts, my dilemmas to that person, and the person is able to answer me. So I was not that lucky, but you are the lucky one who have your mentor at your disposal so that you can clarify all your doubts. Also, time to time, I'll be giving you some answer writing toolkits, considering you are the one doing the answer writing for the very first time, and for that matter, preparing for the anthropology optional for the very first time. And from the beginning itself, for the very first thing that we are going to do with respect to this program is an orientation session. So before we begin the program on 4th of September, probably on 3rd of September, we are going to have an orientation session where I'm going to explain everything to you in detail and take up all your doubt before you venture into this journey. Then we will have a topper copy discussion where I'm going to discuss about what are the things or what are the learnings or the strategies that you can take away from the toppers copy. So that we are going to have as a separate session, and for these session the date and time will be emailed to you in the later part of the program, not now. Now let me quickly take you through the micro schedule. So you will get a tracker with a more detailed one than this. But as of now, I'm going to tell you like how it is going to work. So we have structured the entire tracker for you depending upon like how many days you should take to cover one particular topic, and we have clubbed certain topics together considering like how relevant they are in terms of your syllabus coverage. So suppose for 1.1, 2 and 3 you are going to get 4 days starting 4th of September till 7th of September. So before 4th of September, I am going to give you certain instructions via email like how you should cover this particular topic. And along with that, if there is any video which I would like you to watch, I'll share the link of those as well with you. And the short notes will be provided to you before one day, like for 4th of September, something starting 4th of September, you are going to get the short notes by 3rd of September itself. That is completely okay, and accordingly the entire schedule will work out. You can look at the detailed schedule in the brochure which is given in the description. Now, coming to the next important thing, which is the evaluation. As I said, that how the evaluation will work out, because depending upon, like based upon the feedbacks which we have got, we have done certain changes in the evaluation process. It will remain the same in terms of the feedbacks which we are given, which is given in terms of checking all the copies and everything, but there will be a change in the structure. So suppose there is an answer writing scheduled for 8th of September. Okay, so for your these topics, the answer writing one is scheduled on 8th of September. So earlier what we used to have is that even if the answer writing day is for 8th of September, we would have allowed you to write the answer whenever you feel like. But ultimately what we have seen is that many a times student do a certain kind of an procrastination, or maybe they feel like they are not well prepared to write the answer. To overcome all of those things, we have now tried to put a certain deadline for the answer writing. So for an answer writing scheduled on 8th of September, there will be a deadline of submission. You can submit it on the 8th of September itself, or 9th, 10th, up till 13th of September, which is 8th September plus 5 days. It will work the same way for all the other answer writing. Again, for answer writing 2, the answer writing day is 10th of September. So the answer writing deadline will be 15th of September. So you can submit it on 10th of September, 11, 12, 13, 14 or 15. Beyond that, if you submit, there will be no evaluation for that, because we highly recommend you to do the answer writing as per the schedule. Now, the second most important thing regarding evaluation. Earlier, what we used to do is that whenever you are submitting as per the schedule, we used to check the copies within 4 plus days. So, suppose if the answer writing was 8th of September, we would have checked it. If you are following the schedule and submitting it by the 8th of September, we will check it within 4 days, which is 12th of September. But this time, since we are also putting a deadline for your answer writing submission, there will be certain things from our end also, where even if you are submitting, suppose your copies on 13th of September, we will check your copies within 4 days of your submission. So suppose if you submit your copy on 8th of September itself, you will get your copy checked by 12th of September. If you are submitting your copy by 9th of September, you will get it checked 9 plus 4 days, which is 13th of September, like that. And it will go till 13th of September for your answer writing day 1. So suppose you are submitting your answer on the day itself, on 13th of September itself. So it will be 13 plus 4, which is your 17th of September. So by 17th of September, you will get your answer copies checked. So I hope this is very, very clear. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to us. We'll explain it to you over there as well. Now, The other question that might comes to you is that who can join? Although since the beginning I'm telling you that this program is mostly designed for the beginners. But as I have said that we have done certain changes in terms of program structure and everything and made it a 4 month long program. So suppose you are one who just started your UPSC preparation and are like complete beginner. So this program is definitely for you. You can join this without even thinking much. But suppose you are a person who just completed your anthropology optional and might be not in a position to attempt your answer writing or not sure like whether you have done it comprehensively or not, then you can also join this program and I can call you as a semi beginner. So if you are a beginner, definitely you can go for this program. Even if you are a semi beginner and feel like you should stay in touch and do your revisions comprehensively and make yourself exam ready by the end of this year, then you can also definitely give it a shot and enroll in this program. Now about the fee structure. So the fee for this program is 6,000 rupees, but you need not to pay the 6,000 if you are enrolling before 1st of September or on 1st of September. So till then you need to pay only 4,500, which is a 25% discount on the 6,000 rupees, which means you are roughly paying around 1,100 some rupees for a 1 month duration. And if you want a little more discount, then you can enroll right now to avail this opportunity and just pay 4,000 rupees. So this 4,000 rupees is applicable only for the 10 seats. So as soon as we get this 10 seats filled, the amount will change to 4,500 and it will remain 4,500 till 1st of September. And after 1st of September, it will change to 6,000 rupees. So if you are really willing to enroll for this program, my suggestion is enroll right now so that you are saving and paying just 4,000 rupees instead of the 6,000. So I hope this is also very, very clear. And for all the details which we have discussed and something more in addition, you can refer to the brochure given in the description. And we have also mentioned the registration link over there. If you are clear with your things that whether you wanted to enroll for this program or not, just don't waste time and get yourself enrolled. If you want a little more time, look at the brochure, study it properly, understand whether it suits your requirement or not, and then register. But even after all of this, if you still have any doubt, you can talk to me by sending an email on Simplified IAS Academy. If needed, we will schedule a call with you where we will be helping you to understand whether this program is suitable for you or not. So that is it from my side. Let us know your any doubts or concern regarding this program and wish you a happy Independence Day. Thank you so much.